Good morning. Good morning. It is 8:02. It is Monday morning, and it is time for Coffee Talk. I'm Wedge 2 First Warning Meteorologist Eric Burris. Thanks for joining me, hanging out. Hope you're having a great start to the day. Listen, I'm in the office. That's why I'm running a couple of minutes late, but that's okay. We're going to hang out for the next little bit. We'll chat about the weather. I've got my hot coffee. I hope you have a nice hot coffee. It is just beautiful outside. Our Tower Cam network looking over New Smyrna Beach, showing that sun shining through the clouds while we've got a little bit of ground clutter, no actual rainfall. So this is a forecast we can all get behind. Look at that, 64 degrees in Orlando, 60 degrees in Leesburg. Live look at temperatures in Ocala. You're at 55 degrees. It's 61 in DeLand and about 63 in New Smyrna Beach. So beautiful morning. What a beautiful afternoon, too. High temperatures look like this: 81 in Orlando. We'll be in the upper 70s in some spots, but our journey to get to the highs are looking fantastic today. 70s, 80s, very comfortable breeze. We keep the clouds in just like yesterday, but all said and done, it's not bad. 86 is our average high temperature, but we're not getting there today. It's going to be 81 in the city. Notice, though, out west or up to the north, we're in the 70s. So, yeah, gotta love that. Absolutely beautiful fall weather. Chris says 62.3, a low at my house. I need to get my Tempest fixed. I think it's my hub. I just haven't gotten around to buying the new one. Dang it. Carla, good morning to you. Nancy, good morning. Good morning. Love this cool morning, Millie says. I will agree with you. I will so agree with you. Love that. So we've got some fantastic air in place. Robert says, love it, but will be a little chilly for Aquatica. Yeah, that's true. Linda says, so much for pool season. Well, not so fast. We're not 100% out of the woods because temperatures the next couple of days are going to be going up. Case point, Saturday. Take a look at our Saturday high temperature, okay? Our forecast in Central Florida, seriously, gets back up there. 90 in Orlando, 87 in Leesburg. I'm not pointing this out just to break your heart, but rather to let you know that it's not that it's not pool weather anymore. It's just we're starting to see these little fronts little bit by little bit. So what's the overall weather setup? Let's take a look at the surface map. All right, for today, high pressure. We're looking great. Tomorrow, high pressure. We're looking great. But by Wednesday, what you doing out there, Willis? Little area of low pressure developing in the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to help to drag up a bunch of moisture. So rain chances in Central Florida are absolutely on their way up. Today, tomorrow, nice and dry. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we get into some more inclement weather, we'll say. Yeah. Did we get past the 7 day forward? Wait, Juan, I'm talking about it. I haven't shown it yet. But this 7 day forecast does have 90 on there. It's also got a bunch of rainfall. So next couple of days, just keep in mind that today, tomorrow are beautiful, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we are going to be introducing that rain coverage, okay? All right. I don't need to show you the future cast for today because there's no rainfall in there. There's some clouds, maybe a sprinkle in our southern areas, but not much. Not much, less than 10% coverage. All right. All right, heading out to the Magic Kingdom today. Feels like fall, looks like fall. Beautiful air. High of around 80 degrees down that direction. All right. He's teasing. I mean, I'll show you the 7 day. I just hadn't shown it yet. So here's just so that we're on the same page. Here's Central Florida's certified most accurate 7 day forecast, and there you go. 81 today, 85 tomorrow. Notice Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we do really introduce the rain chances. And as a matter of fact, Thursday, Friday, we're looking particularly wet. Are we talking about a washout? I don't know that I would go quite that far yet, but we're definitely looking. Thursday looks to be the wettest day for right now. We'll have to see how this ends up playing out. We're not there yet. Either way, okay? And then it gets warmer. Friday, Saturday, 89, 90 degrees. And then Sunday into Monday, that's when our next cold front is going to be moving into the area. and really helping us out. Okay, to the tropics, let's just see where we're at. All right, all the way over off the coast of Africa, we've got Invest 92, this bad boy rolling around, doing its thing. More than likely, we'll try to develop 80% likelihood over the next 7 days' time. But most of the models are recurving it, which is good. Next name, by the way, on the list is Sean. So we'll be watching that. Elsewhere, down here in the Bay of Campeche. Oh, I guess I need a drink. Hold on a second. I guess I should.
Today's Jewish Federation of Volusia and Flagler County will hold a community.
All right. Down here in the Bay of Campeche, watch. Where's the frames? Get going. Come on now. Hold on. It's weird. It's not loading like the last few frames of the satellite imagery. Let me go in and try and get back out of it. Anyway, remember that area we've been talking about for what, like 2 weeks' time? A week's time? Let me go in and try and force it to refresh the data here. But that area in like the Gulf of Mexico that we've been talking about for a while, Hurricane Center's tagged it. There we go. There, okay, so you can at least see it kind of bubbling up. So the Hurricane Center saying this area now has a low-end chance of developing, a 20% chance of developing, but you can see that bubble up of convection starting. So whether or not it develops into something tropical, there will be a storm system firing up here. Will be something for us to watch. Okay? But does it become tropical in nature? We just don't know. All right. Either way, it's going to bring us a whole bunch of moisture. All right. All right. So, any questions about this at all? Anything at all? Let's see here. If it's cooler outside, that means the water's cooler, right? So those won't develop. Water temperatures, though, do take a bit of a period to adjust cooler or adjust warmer. So, yes, water temperatures are cooling, but this time of year, we still have plenty of heat energy in the ocean nearby us. The Gulf, the Caribbean, these are the areas that we really watch for development during the months, during the latter months, October, for example. All right. All right, sounds good. So what we've got for you, and I'm going to keep it pretty brief today just because I've got a million other projects that I'm working on, and I don't want to forget about you guys, but I also don't want to forget about this stuff either. So for today, mostly cloudy, 81. We're going to be at about 85 tomorrow. We're going to climb to about 86 Thursday, but Thursday for now looks to be a pretty wet day in Central Florida. All right? Yeah. Frank's asking how wide is the rain on Thursday? We're supposed to be doing pictures. Yeah, it's going to be a borderline washout day for the peninsula, as a matter of fact, Frank. And then Friday, Saturday, we do look to try and clear that out a bit. And then Sunday, Monday, our next front comes through. Here, I'll show you Futurecast. All right. You're going to see this and you're almost going to laugh because it's a little shocking. We'll say. Not shocking, but just like there's a lot of color on the map, okay? So Tuesday's looking fantastic. Bada bing, bada boom. There's your Wednesday into Thursday, just widely scattered rains around. So there you go. I wish I had better news for you. Just is what it is. All right, I'm going to go work on my other thing. Some days we just have to do it a little shorter. So it is what it is. But be the sunshine in someone else's day. Thank you so much for hanging out for Coffee Talk. I will see you all on TV in just a little bit. Be good, y'all. Take care. Bye.